So we have started giving seminars, and I was brand ambassador of ACC for so many years, and I used to go in Maharashtra everywhere and give lectures, because they used to give some presents to the engineers. So instead of just distributing presents, they give some knowledge dose. So I used to give lectures on the green building, of course in Marathi, not in English. But next please. This I am giving it in English only because I want to go global. My lecture must go to every country. They should be able to read it. They should be able to know it. All environmental engineers, they should follow Walchand College of Engineering. Because Walchand College of Engineering has a history of 50 years of environmental engineering. We have started environmental engineering in a true sense. We started it as a consultancy. We started to solve the problems. At the same time, we did seminars for the farmers. At the same time, we did seminars for the chairman of the industries. We took all the chairmen of the industry managing directors to Bangkok to show them how the things are being managed there. We gave them lectures in Marathi to tell them, because even if you technically train the technical people in the industries, they don't have any power to change the things. So unless chairman and decision maker is convinced that something has to be done, then only can be done. And Dr. Sukarao had got that knack of communication. He used to communicate with any person, any chairman, anything. He has got a very good quality. Any letter comes, as soon as letter comes, he immediately writes another letter. Immediately reply. Our letters lie there and we send sometimes like that. But he has got this particular thing. He talks very sweet. Everywhere he talks as if that other person is the leader. And this particular property of his paper, he could become popular. He established after in 98 when he retired. At that time, we had got a mobile van where we used to go entire set and do seminars, presentations everywhere. After he retired as a principal, then he started this totally in the EPRF. We have started ISCF, NEVES also, International School of Environmental Management Studies. That also we have started. But afterwards what happened with my Mrs. being ill, I got away from that particular activities and I concentrated more on the IT side. And thereby my contact with them was that way not so popular. Now he is doing on his own in laboratory everything. But you should take help from him. You should learn how he has developed, how you can become consultant, how you can become dealer, how you can solve the problems, and don't go only in morchas and andolans. All andolans and morchas are from the people who have got some other political intentions. They are not interested in seeing the solutions. They will not read the EIA. They will not read anything. They want to stop that thing, that's all. That is the thing. And many times in political rivalry, one political group will automatically try to block the industry. Once it goes long, then it is there. Now industry also what they are doing in pollution, how the pollution in politics also has a, they will purchase, when we say we have to do this particular desalination, we have to do this thing, they will purchase all the equipment at highest cost but never run it, because they will get only commission in the purchase of the equipment. They will get the commission in erecting the plant. Nobody gives attention of maintaining it. And when they don't maintain it, pollution continues. And then people say that you have given the consultancy and see the pollution is occurring. So such is the case. So we have got a very crucial responsibility. The only person who can solve this problem is environmental engineer. An environmental engineer must stand up. He should say that I will protect your health, I will protect your society, but at the same time I will see that industry also does it properly and solve the problem. So this particular confidence when you will get, when you are standing financially also strong. If you are dependent on the industry, then you will see whatever teacher that chairman says is okay, let it be like that, let us do like that. But if you are strong enough, you will say, unless you do that, we will sue you. There is opportunity in legal sector, in the pollution control boards, there is in technology, you can develop technology, you can have dealing on the technology, bring maximum latest technology here, use it here, improve the industries, growth industries, take the profit. The solar, you might be knowing that nowadays what they do, you give solar system free, and we say that whatever bill you are paying, you pay only 75% of the bill continuously for 10 years to us. We shall manage other things. So whatever is the power bill, they don't have to pay anything. They will put the solar panels, whatever energy saving is there, the saving is 50%. So 75% they will get, that 25% they will get. Similarly, energy conservation, you go to industry, you say, we will repair all the pumps, we will repair all the water springs, we will repair everything, and you don't have to do anything. Only thing is, whatever is your maintenance expenditure, you should give it for 10 years the same amount, even if maintenance is less. So we shall put sensors, we shall do very good pumps, we can have proper thing, we can reduce the maintenance cost, and that money we will be getting. So business is changing its attitude, and big companies are coming. For smart city, the Ambi Valley has started smart city, 200 cities they wanted to have smart cities. At that time I was there, I gave a lecture there, and they were impressed that we can do like that. But the money was collected by the people. International agencies tried to fool the public that these people are corrupt, and everybody started taking back the money. That 200 smart city project was collapsed. Once it is collapsed, then Toshiba, Intel, Microsoft, everybody has taken one city for smart city. Because they wanted to get the data of the clients, they wanted to manage the clouds and everything. So this our Indian effort was completely crushed down, and those outside parties have come in. All small things have gone. Now in Maharashtra, to teach science and everything, mathematics in Marathi, Khan Academy is given the work. In America, Khan Academy is there, they are teaching, so it is given, the job is given to them. Big companies. So big companies are entering here with huge investment, and we think we are getting investment, it's good, but nobody will invest unless they get the money back. And they will get money back, lot of money back. Not only that, their engineers will be paid, not you. You will be still as teachers. So this has to be stopped. We have to do on a war basis, but war not against the industries, not against the people, but war against this particular concept. This particular thing, what is happening, that we are at fault. We should be held responsible. All environmental engineers should be arrested. Why you have not done this job? Why the industry stopped? You should do it. Now they say that we don't have money because they did not do any business. So such is the case. Unfortunately, I learned it at the end of my service. If I would have learned it much earlier, I would have given that training to all the students. But still, I can talk to you, I have told you. I have started interacting with the past students and students right from start. We have started Walchand alumni at that time, and we, in the generator room, we used to have all record. Earlier, we used to publish, our civil engineering group used to publish link, LINK. All final year students' addresses, we used to prepare a small booklet and take some advertisements from our builders and used to distribute to all the students. That was going on from 80 to 90. And then Association of Law Students was formed. Then it continued, and unfortunately it has stopped working. So alumni is stopped, everything is stopped, and now we are in such a fix that we can't go out. So I am very much fortunate, and I feel lucky to have this particular opportunity to come here and talk to you. I want everybody's email and WhatsApp number. I will talk with everybody. I will get everybody's ideas. You can write blogs on our tennis.org. Anywhere, if you start business, we are there to help you. But if we are going to teaching, we may not help. Because teaching job is that whatever is there in the books, you should explain. Whatever is there in the books is old enough. Whatever is happening now, that you should learn. So, as a teacher, I am student also. Every day I am searching what is there, and that you should teach. You can teach. I have provided with my Nandip, I have provided a online hall, not so big and lavish. A small hall is there, but I am trying to give you opportunity to teach any of your subject to lower class students. You can teach to T, you can teach to B, you can teach to anything. We will give you per hour some 100 rupees, something we will give you. You can earn. So I request everybody to take this opportunity. I am here for 2 months, but I will give instructions. Anytime you come there, we will record your video, your lecture, your channel will form. You can start teaching. You can start learning. And if you are interested in having internship, you can do internship in the Nandip. Will teach you latest IT technology, web design technology, Android app development or iPhone app development. I want you people to adopt latest technology, IT technology. Unless you learn IT technology, you cannot control the population. You cannot send your message to others. Why I was saying that you must record my thing? Why Bhushan's lecture also was to be recorded? Why I insisted? Because it is an asset. Whatever he says has to be recorded. Once it is digitally recorded, it is available anywhere and at any time as per the convenience of the viewer. And this is the case. I am doing it, and I think I have exceeded the time. My actual presentation is beyond that. I will just put the steps. I don't want to waste my time in giving the presentation.